front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into Settings and scroll down right away. Now you need to select Privacy Protection section over here and go into All Permissions. Following that, just tap on one of your device's features like Location and select an app, like Chrome. Now click on one of those options, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. I will go with the last one, so now I need to click on Don't allow anyway and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, Chrome no longer has access to my device location. But you can always just pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in, like Camera. Then click on See all camera permissions over here and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!